Hey, welcome to The Explainer. Today we're unlocking the absolute secrets to mastering AI prompt engineering. Ready?
Ever typed a quick sentence and got garbage back? Yeah, you're not alone. But hey, it's super fixable.
See, vague inputs like write a script are literally shooting in the dark. AI needs a precise target.
Just think of AI like a brilliant but totally clueless intern. Without crystal clear instructions, you get average stuff.
So, how do top creators get actual magic? They use this secret framework right here, the RCTFE formula.
R is for role. Instantly boost your output by telling the AI exactly who to be, like a strategist.
C means context. You've got to give background info so the AI actually understands the why behind your request.
Next up, task. Don't be vague here. Clearly state the exact action you want, like write or summarize.
F is format. Tell it you want bullet points or a table, and save yourself literally hours of editing.
Finally, E for extra details. Pros win here by adding tone, emotions, and specific word counts. Game changer.
Look at the difference. A basic request builds a flimsy shack. A structured pro prompt, a customized castle.
Once you've got that, advanced tricks like chain prompting and giving examples will absolutely superpower your daily workflow.
Notice how a YouTuber's prompt looks way different from a designer's. Always tailor things strictly to your niche.
But watch out, asking for way too much at once or skipping tone guidelines will totally confuse it.
Okay, ready to pull this all together? Here's the ultimate plug-and-play template for literally your next prompt.
Grab a screenshot right now. Filling in these exact blanks is your foolproof cheat code for dominating AI.
Remember, AI isn't replacing humans, but someone using AI effectively definitely will. Will you be the master or replaced?